If people blackened their fish like you did today, then we wouldn't have left it in the 90s.
Ugh, as if.
So Dan's dish, they described it as comforting and makes you feel good, which as a chef, those are the words you want to hear, right? Evoking an emotional response out of the diner. That's what you're looking for. Just with anybody that does any kind of art form, whether it's a painting, dancing, singing, cooking, is what you want is an emotion, whether it's anger, fear, hate, or love. The one thing you don't want is indifference. To make somebody feel comforted and to feel good is probably the best compliment you can give to anybody that's in the arts.